Here's a 2021 Chrysler Pacifica. It's fun to drive with plenty of room, plenty of style, and plenty of features designed to make your life easier, all wrapped in a stylish package. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.